It's with social media nowadays, people just say anything, especially try to tear somebody down if they feel like they're above them or they feel like they got too much, self-confidence or loving themselves. They'll try to tear you down and you ain't doing nothing but living your life.
Yeah, and that is the craziest thing. Especially for women, I find a lot of times the most beautiful women have had the most issues with how they look,
Yes.
or the most insecurities and stuff. I think when you stick out like a sore thumb or you look a certain way, people always have their own perception of you and think you're going to be a certain way, behave a certain way. And it's like, I know that's for myself. I'm constantly having to go against people's already preconceived ideas of me.
Of course.
Without even doing anything. I haven't even opened my mouth, not said a word. And they already think, oh, you're going to be a bitch, or you're going to be ditzy, or you're going to be gold digger, or you're going to be this, or you're going to be this, that,
Yeah.